If you want to learn real Japanese food, this is your course. You will learn authentic Japanese dishes in this course. My name is Fumio Okamoto, the owner and chief instructor of Japanese cooking class. Since January 2017, I've been teaching Japanese food to foreigners, including professional chefs from different countries. This course provides not only cooking techniques, but also a deep knowledge about Japanese food and its background. At the end of this course, you will be able to master traditional Japanese broth and 5 popular dishes. In addition, you will acquire knowledge of seasonings unique to Japan and discover the variety of Japanese food. This course is a step-by-step program to improve your knowledge and cooking skills of Japanese dishes. For this course, I carefully chose dishes from a selection of popular menus among foreigners. Each section describes one dish and consists of 3 lectures. I designed this course for home chefs who want to cook real Japanese food but don't know what to learn or how to use the ingredients. The cooking skills required in this course are for beginners, but the final dish, ramen, will raise your cooking skills to intermediate levels. If your interest grows, please join this course. Let's start a Japanese cooking journey with me.